In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert your audio to text and completely for free by using tinywow.com. Now, I'll also link this down in the description below. Now, once you're on here, we want to go to this search bar just here and type in audio to text, and it's going to be this tool just here. Now, if we click on here, all we have to do is drag our audio onto the page. So I have this audio just here by Jim Rohn. If we listen to this,
every day stand guard at the door of your mind.
We can hear what it says. And now, if we take this file and just drag it onto the page like this, TinyWow is going to do its thing and transcribe this audio to text. And that is now done. So if we hover over the download and click, we're going to have a few different options. We can save to device or save to drive. Now what we're going to do is click on save to device. It's going to download, and if we open this, we can see that this has transcribed it perfectly. So there's that beginning part. Every day stand guard at the door of your mind. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.